Hello, Caroline over here at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing a quick morning workout. It is morning for me as well. It's just going to be, I think there's about 9 exercises, so it's just meant to get your blood moving in the morning when you get out of bed, kind of get you on a good start to your day. So we'll start with 10 jumping jacks. All right, next is 10 squats. All right, next is 10 lunges, so we'll do 5 per leg. All right. So next we're gonna get on the floor. We're gonna do 20 mountain climbers. So 10 each leg. Whew. All right. Oh, we're gonna stay down here. We're gonna do 10 plank jacks. So you're gonna go in a plank and then jack. All right. And you can take as much time you need in between every exercise. I'm just kind of going through fast. Next, 10 push-ups. I'm gonna do modified. All right. We're gonna turn over and do some abs. Next thing is 10 crunches. Then 20 bicycles, so 10 each leg. All right, and last but not least, but maybe my least favorite, is 20-second plank. Here we go. Ten more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right. So if you enjoy working out, but you don't always want to go to the gym in the morning, you're not a member of the gym, this is a good way to get some quick exercises in, to get you feeling good for the start of your day. Personally, I always stretch after and stretch before. It's just good for your muscles. So if you have enough time to set in your day, give yourself 30 minutes and you can do this. Have a good one. Thank you.